by making some quick and easy beans. They're not going to be lacking in flavor. I'm using no salt added pinto beans. You could use black beans if you like, or whatever beans you prefer. Spraying my pan with some pan spray. I'm adding 2 pieces of bacon, some nice fatty pieces. You want that nice fatty piece of bacon. Give it all that flavor. Depending on how many beans you're making or cans, I'm using the 15.5 ounce can. Just add more bacon if you're going to make a bigger can or more cans. 1 large shallot. You could use purple onion or yellow onion if you like. I have 1 large clove of garlic. I did shred mine. You could press yours if you like. Mix your garlic and your onions in with the beans and the bacon. Adding a bit of black pepper. Some salt. You want this on a medium-high heat for a few minutes, and you just want to wait until you see that fat in the pan from that bacon. Mix all that fat in with your beans. These are canned beans. They're already softened and ready to go. So I'm adding only 1/2 cup of water. Give everything a nice mix. Cover your beans, and I like to cook mine for about 10 to 15 minutes on simmer. I have 2 chicken breasts here. I'm going to start cutting my chicken into cubes as if I was making some beef carne asada tacos. Just go ahead and cut your chicken. And then you're going to slice it again. And then make some cubes. I'm going to go ahead and continue on doing that and then start the next piece. Giving my pan a good coat of pan spray. Place my chicken on here. This is 1 clove of garlic. I shave mine, you could press it. Paprika. Chef Burrito steak and meat seasoning. Black pepper. A bit of salt. Give everything a mix. After I toss everything, I like to add just a bit more paprika, not too much. A bit more black pepper. And just a sprinkle of the Chef Burrito steak and meat seasoning. I have 1/2 of a lime. I'm going to go ahead and squeeze some of that on my chicken. Of course, I'm going to add some serrano peppers. Toss it and turn it once in a while. Keep an eye on it. And I believe this is ready for a taste test. Putting a bit of pan spray on the pan. I like to cook my flour tortillas up just a bit. I like to fold my flour tortillas after I flip them. Let them cook a bit, and then I'm going to go ahead and flip them one more time. This is good enough for me. I'm going to take these off. I'm also going to be making a burrito, so I'm going to add that tortilla on. I'm going to flip my tortilla for my burrito. Adding the chicken to my taco shells. You could do this street taco style, I guess you could say. Just with the cilantro and onion. Adding some avocado. And a bit of fresh pico de gallo. Now let's put this burrito together. Here's my beans. You could refry them all the way. I just went ahead and gave them a nice smash in the pan. Either way, they're going to be good. So these are semi-smashed. Those beans are so good. Oh my goodness. I'm going to add some chicken. Adding a few slices of avocado. Just a bit of cilantro. These are diced shallots. You could use purple onion, yellow onion, whatever you like. Fresh pico. I also like to take my spoon and just get some of that juice from the pico de gallo and just add a bit to the burrito. Make sure everything's nice and ready to get rolled up. These are my favorite chicken soft tacos to make and my favorite chicken burrito. Try this out. You're gonna love it, I promise. And I'll see you in my next video. I got these at Walmart. You could get a set of 4. You know, if you love tacos, I just thought I'd give these a try. Why not?